How to create flipbook on Canva, Canva flipbook tutorial. So go ahead and open your desktop browser and then go to canva.com. Now, just a little background, Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that you can use to create a lot of graphics, including your flipbook pages. And although it has features available for pro subscribers only, anyone can use it for free, and this video will only be using free features. Again, visit the Canva website www.canva.com and then log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. So to do that, just simply click on the sign up button and you can then choose between Gmail, Facebook, or email to sign up. Once you are signed in, you will be here on this dashboard. And the first thing to do is to choose a size or a resolution for your product or customize one if necessary. So to do that, click on the create design, select the custom size on the bottom part, and then here you can input the specific size that you want. You can change it from pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Or you can also search for a specific paper here like A4, portrait, or even book pages. This is the usual standard size of a book that you can use. So once you search for book, you will actually see different sizes for books in here. So just browse through in here and choose what suits your needs the best. Another feature that is very helpful in Canva is the search engine, especially this magic search engine. If you use this one, you'll actually see a lot of built-in templates already. These are readily free available templates that you can use and edit to personalize on your own. So let's say for example, you want to do a flip book for a modeling portfolio. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use these templates as a starter of your own flipbook. So to use the templates, you can click on your chosen template. In this window, there are other posters with the same theme of the template that you just clicked. So just go through these templates and you might find templates that have better elements and design that you want. Once you have chosen a template, just tap on the Customize this template button and you can then access the editing page where you can lay out the whole poster. From here, you can then tap on the elements that you want to edit. So let's say you need to edit the text for sure. You need to put your own name, your own details. So just tap on the text and then you can then edit the text itself. You can also change the font. To do that, go to the upper part of the editing page and here you can see available fonts that you can use. You can also change the size, the color, the alignment, the effects, the position, and the opacity of your text. You can see or you can edit these graphics and images as well. You can basically edit every element that you can see and you can tap in here. So let's say for example, you want to put your own photo here. Simply click on uploads to upload your own photo. So this is just something that I grabbed from the net. And to put it on the canvas, just simply tap on it. Or if you want it to be in a certain shape, you can use these things called frames. So go to the elements and search for frame. And here, just tap on the shape that you want. And once you put your image on top of the frame, it will hug the shape of the frame. So let's say, for example, you're finished with every page of the book. What we need to do next is to click on the share button. So just click here on the upper right corner and then here proceed to more. Once you are here, scroll down until you reach the design tab and then under that click on simple booklet flip. This one with an orange and blue icon. Tap on the open button. This might take a while since it will transfer the design on another platform, but after that, this another window will then open and then click on view and sample booklet flip. So this is how simple booklet flip dashboard looks like. Here you just need to input the title and then below you can choose between the transition or the animation styles for your flip cover. If you want a preview of the animation before you choose, simply hover your mouse over the specific animation and then it will play. So for example, this is how the card flip looks like. This one is the fade to white, and then so on and so forth. So for our goal, which is to create a flipbook, the best transition to use is the page curl. This will give your slides from Canva a book look. And as you can see from the animation, it really looks like a flipbook. Now, aside from the single page animations, you can also check on this page spread. And here, there are readily available transition styles. First up here is the page curl, which looks like a normal book flipping. The pages flips from right to left, and then the next is the board book. Actually, the same direction with the page curl, but the difference is the material of the board is thicker than the normal page of the book version. Next on the list is the cover, which has a board cover and then normal paper material for the pages inside the book. Again, same flipping directions. And then last is the calendar, which is an upward version of the flipping pages. So simply tap on the version or the flipping style that you want. As for this tutorial, I'll just choose the hardcover and then proceed by tapping on the convert button. And this will take a while, but once your file is converted into a flipbook, this is how your editing page will look like. On this bar, you can click on preview, edit, design, and record. So to check how it looks like, you just tap on the arrowhead buttons on the left and right. By the way, this is the preview view. And as you can see, the hardness of the cover page is different from the pages since this one is the hardcover version. Now moving on to the edit tab, tap on it and here on the left tab you will see some editing tools like the hotspot. By using this, you can select elements in your book and link a website or file to it. Buttons is where you can add icons and clickable buttons. So for example, you want to add a video, then choose the video and then input the link. Tap on add and icon will appear here on the current page that you are in, and additional settings on the visual of your button will appear both on the left and right side of your screen. So just play around with the settings here until you reach the desired visual of the video. Under the buttons are some media files that you can add on your pages. So just images, videos, and audios. You can also add text, some stickers, forms, and code. On the pages tab, you can add, duplicate, delete, rearrange, and you can also change the dimension of your book. And then you can also choose the background color of your page. Now, under the Design tab, you can manage and edit the presentation of your flipbook. First here is the page settings, which basically gives you access to edit transition, the flip button, the sound of the flip, and the shadow of your book. Here in the presentation, you have the themes. You can choose one that will suit your book as a background. So for this one, I'll just choose the default one since it's plain and it's very neutral, and it will then be added on your screen as you can see. You can also choose the background color for this. You can add a logo and add navigation bars as well. Next is the navigation, engage, and then last is more settings. After editing, just click on preview to see how it looks like. And once you're done and you're okay with your flipbook, just click on share and you have here different platforms to share in, or you can just use this link to send and share it to people that you want to have. So that is how to create flipbook on Canva. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.